Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a all-day wear test on the brand new Makeup Forever HD Skin Undetectable Foundation. Let me say this right off the bat. This is not my shade. I took the foundation quiz because I suck at matching myself, and apparently so does the quiz because this is not my shade. Either way, I am still going to test it out because the shade should not make a difference in how the foundation looks or anything like that. It is currently 12:30 p.m. so it is a little bit later in the day, but that's okay. We're going to wear it all day, and then I will do a final check-in to see how the foundation holds up. I've seen this all over Instagram, on TikTok, and people seem to really love it and are raving about it. I'm curious to see how I'm going to like it because I do have a little bit of texture skin and I am a little bit more on the oily side with large pores. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and you already know, grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and start with today's review. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and start. I am going to give you a little bit of information just so we can both be on the same page. So again, this is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Undetectable Stay True Foundation. There is currently 32 shades available. They have light, medium, neutral, warm, cool, and golden undertones. Mine is supposed to be a neutral undertone. I am in the shade 2N22 Y325. But again, if you are my foundation twin, please don't go based off of this one. I am going to return this one and get a better shade. It is currently retailing for $43 on the Sephora website, which is where I got mine. This is supposed to be obviously a liquid formula. It's supposed to be waterproof. It has a natural finish. It is long wearing, medium coverage, and it's best for oily, combo, or normal skin. A lot of people rave that this foundation really does look like your skin but better, and it's supposed to just help correct any uneven tones that you may have on your skin. I do have a little bit of redness around the nose, and then just like a few little like old acne marks that I have here that I've popped in the past. So a little discoloration here. I just shaved my face, so my skin is looking super flawless. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into the foundation review. I'm going to start off by applying my primer. I'm going to use something that I know that I love and that works for me and my skin type. My favorite one is the matte primer, putty primer by e.l.f. I have large pores in this area, so I do like to concentrate the putty right here, really like stamping it in and then bringing it around the nose, then bringing it around here. So this is how the skin is looking like now that we have the primer. We're going to go in with the foundation. I am going to try it both ways. I'm going to use a sponge on one side and then a brush on the other side just to see which one it wears with best. My favorite foundation brush is the Anisa Beauty Pinnacle foundation brush. This one is really good. It's shaped really nice and it's like nice and firm, but it doesn't leave your skin looking streaky. So let's take the foundation, and first of all, the packaging is just super cute. I love the top. As you can see, this is not my color. It is a little too light. It might work, but I do like something a little darker. Let's go in with a sponge. I've seen a lot of people use a sponge. So let's go in with this side. And I'm going to do side-by-side comparison so you guys can see. Now, this is supposed to be medium coverage, so I'm not expecting to get full coverage at once, which I love. Full coverage, if you watch me, you know that. Right off the bat, I love how easy this is to blend. It definitely looks and feels like nothing. It covers up all the redness. So if you have like little discoloration, expect that to be covered. Now, as you can see, I do have a little red, not a red, but it's like a dark spot. I'm going to see if I can cover that up a little bit more. I'm going to take some more of the foundation, just a tiny bit, and then I'm going to apply it there, and then take my sponge and just work that onto the skin. Wow, this feels really nice. So here is a little side-by-side comparison. This is the left side. As you can see, it still looks like my skin, but a little bit better. On this side, I have a little redness just right here, just from like, I don't even know what this is, honestly, just little whiteheads that I get every now and then. It's the weirdest thing. but it did a really good job, and I am going to add a little bit more to see if it is a buildable foundation. It didn't cover that dark spot, which is okay, but we're gonna see if we can build this up to be a little more full coverage. That looks really nice, you guys. Do you see that? It doesn't have like a crazy matte finish. It's almost like a soft matte satin finish. Don't know how to describe it, but this is how it looks like. And as you can see, this side, it perfects it for you just a tiny bit. I really like that. I just wish I would have gotten the right shade. That's okay though. All right, now I'm gonna take another full pump and I'm gonna use my brush. And we're going to stamp that. I have a feeling that this is going to give me a lot more coverage. This is perfect for everyday wear. If you work, if you're just a stay-at-home mom and you want to look a little bit put together for running errands or just being at home, this foundation is really light, you guys. It doesn't feel like I have anything. It honestly feels like I just have like my normal skincare, my moisturizer, my sunscreen, everything like that. And as you can see, like all the redness is gone. And that's with a medium coverage. I am really liking this so far. I'm going to show you guys up close how the skin looks. As you can see, and obviously I don't use any beauty filters on my camera. My camera doesn't come with beauty filters. It looks really nice. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some concealer. I am going to use my Kat Von D Good Apple concealer. It's just the one that I've been using, and I'm really into this one right now. And it's full coverage, so it'll balance itself out with the foundation. I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Banana Setting Powder to just set underneath the eyes. I'm really curious to see how this foundation is going to look once it's like completely done. I'm going to take my little powder and my little powder puff. So far, this is how the foundation looks once it's set. Honestly, it looks amazing. My skin looks flawless and it feels so light. I just really want to emphasize on that. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the process. I'm just going to apply bronzer, blush, highlights, and then I'll show you guys how the foundation is looking like with everything set. So here is the full face done. I have my bronzer, blush, highlights, and pretty much everything except my setting spray, which I think I'm going to do now. But you guys, this foundation looks so good underneath everything. It's absolutely flawless. I think I made it work once I applied a lot of bronzer and blush. I definitely overdid it with the blush, but that's okay. I like it. I really like it so far. So I am going to film an eyeshadow tutorial for you guys. If you want to watch that, I will have it linked. Actually, this video might go up first, but definitely check back because I will have a link or a card so you guys can watch the tutorial next. I've been wanting to play with this palette from Beach Cosmetics, so I'm doing a really fun look. Definitely be subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on that tutorial. It will be up for Makeup Monday. It is 12:58. Let's go ahead and set the skin really quick. I always set my face anyway, so we're going to go ahead and seal the deal. Like I said, it's currently 12:58. It's about to be 1. I think I'm going to leave this foundation on for about 7 hours. Yeah, about 7-8 hours to get a good feel for it, maybe 6 hours. And then I will be back and show you guys how the foundation looks. I will also be inserting clips on how the foundation in the skin actually looks with natural sunlight, because beauty lights definitely give me, they help me out a little bit. That's what I'm trying to say. Beauty lights definitely help me out a little bit to make the skin look a little softer, but I will be inserting clips of how the foundation looks in natural lights raw, okay? Because yeah, so I will be back in a few hours. Hi guys, I am back. It is 8:20 p.m. and I have my microphone on backwards. So as you can see, I am very oily. I am definitely oily on the forehead. Like the eyebrows are almost gone because of how oily I am, as well as this area. I am extremely oily. I typically don't get this oily with other foundations, so it's very interesting to see. Also, I do have to say that this foundation slightly oxidizes on the skin. I'm still going to keep testing it out and wearing it for a few days. I'm going to try it with different primers. I'm going to try it with different setting powders. I'm going to try it with a mattifying setting mist. I did use the Urban Decay All Nighter, the normal one. This one is my absolute favorite. I'm literally almost out, but I also have the mattifying one, and that one seems to really lock in the makeup as well as keep me matte. So I will be trying this foundation out a few times, and if I just don't love it, I will be returning it. Honestly, I like how it feels. It feels super light on the skin. It looks really nice when you originally apply it. Doesn't look as good for me because I am definitely oily on my T-zone. I am like 50-50 about it. I don't love it as much as everybody seems to be loving it. So I'm on the fence. I'm going to keep trying it and I will review it in the next upcoming videos that I have for you guys. And if you're wondering if I filmed a tutorial for this eye look, yes I did. It will be up for Makeup Monday, so make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. So I'm not going to say that I don't like it, but I'm not going to say that I like it. I'm like iffy. We'll see. We're going to keep playing with it. Hopefully we like it, but when a foundation looks this oily on my skin, it might be a no. Just saying. So that is it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video review on the brand new Makeup Forever HD foundation. Wow. I'm kind of bummed out that it didn't look super bomb on me. It just, I don't know. I don't know. You guys have to tell me what you think. How do you think it looks on the skin? And also, Makeup Forever makes my favorite foundation stick, so I might have to revisit that option soon. Anyways, thank you all for being here. I love you. Have an amazing day, night, or morning, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.